So something really cool in JavaScript is you can create something called a higher order function. This is basically a function that takes in a function and it's going to return a function and probably do something with that originally passed in function. So we have a timer function that takes in a callback as a parameter, and it's going to return a new function that takes in some arguments. And we're going to go ahead and just try to create a function that wraps and checks to see how long the callback took to run. So I'm going to go ahead and say constant then is equal to date.now to keep track of when this function first ran. And then I'm going to call the original callback function by using a .apply and passing it the arguments. And then we can go ahead and just call date.now again and get the difference of them and print them out. So now I have a function that I can actually pass another function. So imagine we had a Fibonacci function that takes in an in, and we wanted to see how long it took to compute argument of 20 or 30. So we can go ahead and take that fib function and we can pass it to our timer function like this. And now we're going to get back a wrapped function. And then what we can go ahead and do is do a console log by calling wrap to 20. And if I were to save this and run this, notice that it prints out 2 milliseconds, and it also prints out the result of our Fibonacci sequence.